Hello, my name is Alejandro,
My name is Fredo.
and today we're going to be talking about a volcano named Popocatépetl. Popocatépetl is an active stratovolcano located in the states of Puebla, Mexico, and Morales in central Mexico, and lies in the eastern half of Trans-Mexican Volcanic Belt. It exploded 3 times on November 2016.
The volcano is involved with tectonic plates. The volcano is the most active volcano in Mexico, having more than 15 major eruptions. The most recent eruption was in 2004 and is still going on to this day.
Scientists have actually recorded an eruption that dates back in the years of Popocatépetl is one of Mexico's most active volcanoes. After almost 50 years of dormancy, one of the world's most dangerous volcanoes today is Popocatépetl. Nickname.
2013, flights over Mexico were canceled as a result of more volcanic activity, with the stream and ash pouring from the crater of the volcano. The volcano is about 730,000 years old. The elevation of the peak is 5,450 meters high.
On November 24th, the Popocatépetl volcano's first explosion happened at 5:11 p.m. local time. 2 more explosions happened overnight, spreading ashes over nearby villages. The volcano is about 40 miles southeast of Mexico City. The volcano regularly consists of smoke but rarely consists of dangerous people nearby. In the year 2000, a massive explosion forced the evacuation of 50,000 people. Wow, dude, imagine living there. Popocatépetl is the second highest volcano in Mexico. Popocatépetl last eruption was from 2004 to 2018 and is still ongoing. Its highest elevation is 17,802 feet. Popocatépetl has more than 20 big eruptions since the arrival of Spanish in 1519.
Wow, dude.
Get it. Popocatépetl is located 70 kilometers southeast of the capital of Mexico City, from where it has been seen depending on the atmospheric conditions. In 2000, the eruption of the peak was the most dramatic for over 1,000 years. More than 50,000 people crowded the roads as they rushed to evacuate from the 40 villages located off the slopes of the mountain or close to it. Local farming communities were slow to move initially, despite official warnings, because they didn't want to leave their crops. The name Popocatépetl comes from the Aztec word from Smoky Mountain. More than 30 million people live within the view of the mountain, including Mexico City and the Pueblo, and hundreds of thousands would be at risk during a major eruption.
In 1920, there were some explosive eruptions and a small lava plug at the crater at the top of the volcano. There had been some additional ash cloud events in the 1920s through the 1940s, but the volcano has largely been quiet since then. It started recently erupting in the 2000s.
Popocatépetl is one of the most active volcanoes in Mexico, having had 15 eruptions since the arrival of the Spanish in 1519 AD. The Aztec Indians who lived in central Mexico recorded additional eruptions in 1347 and 1354. Most of the eruptions in the past 600 years were relatively mild, with ash columns rising only a few kilometers above the summit.